There's always two sides to a coin. One might say having thick, voluminous hair is an absolute blessing, but that comes with a whole array of concerns ranging from washing, drying, styling, and even maintaining it. Hi, I'm Sachi, and today I decided to share my thick hair care routine with you guys to help you tackle your beautiful manes with ease. So let's begin. Cleansing is one of the most crucial parts of my hair routine. My job constantly exposes my hair to heat or to styling products, and paired with our humidity, my scalp tends to get extremely oily in just a couple of days. So I like to do things a little differently. I prefer washing my hair at night, which gives me enough time to air dry it and also saves me a few minutes in the morning before work. But remember, it's important not to sleep with soaking wet hair. I wait for at least a few hours till my hair is about 80% dry before I hit the bed. Dryness is one of the major concerns for my hair since I started getting it colored a few years ago. So I start by cleansing it with the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Argan Oil Shampoo. This shampoo is pH balanced, which means it's safe for color treated hair, and its antioxidant properties help in cleansing my scalp gently without making it too dry. Argan oil in any hair care product is also going to give your hair a dose of nourishment. I simply take a large dollop of this product onto my hand and massage it gently into my wet scalp to get rid of any accumulated oil or dirt, after which I rinse my hair thoroughly. Now the key to getting tangle-free and soft locks lies in the right method of conditioning, no matter what your hair type may be. I'm a big believer in using products that hydrate my hair and help it retain its moisture, and so I use them in my hair care routine, like the OGX Argan Oil Conditioner that is extremely nourishing and also sulfate free. It has a sweet yet refreshing scent that lingers on the hair for the entire day, which is definitely a bonus. I start by taking a good chunk of the product, enough to evenly spread it through the lengths of my hair, avoiding the scalp. The conditioner penetrates into the hair shafts, making my hair look shiny and frizz-free. I like to keep it on for about 7 to 8 minutes, or at least till my hair gets all the hydration it needs. Choosing the right hair tools is as important as choosing the right products for your hair. A wrong brush can cause breakage and aggravate frizz, so a personal favorite is this Tangle Teaser hairbrush that can be used on both wet and dry hair. This brush eliminates tangles and knots without causing any breakage, and its unique design makes it super easy to use and travel friendly as well. After washing, I gently towel dry my hair just enough to make sure it's not soaking, because I like to brush my hair while it's still wet. Since my scalp is sensitive, brushing thick hair while it's still wet makes the whole process very easy. Once the hair is dry, it tends to get a little frizzy, and detangling it can be super difficult. So this is a great tip to follow if you have super thick hair like I do as well. As you guys already know, I end up straightening, curling, or even blow drying my hair very often when I'm shooting. So on days that I've just washed my hair, I avoid applying as much heat to it as possible. This helps in keeping its natural texture intact and gives it a well-deserved break. I like to hydrate my ends a little more because color-treated hair can get extremely dry. So I use Nashi's Argan Treatment Oil, which is organic and suitable for all hair types. I start by taking a small amount onto my palms and apply it, focusing only on the ends in a gentle brushing motion. Before starting with any kind of heat to style my hair, whether it's a straightener or a curling tong, I always make sure to use a heat protectant spray like the Laura Techniart Constructor, which not only protects my hair from heat damage, but also adds a bit of hold to make sure my style lasts all day long. For the unforgiving humidity, a product like the Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream from BBlunt is a must-add as a finishing touch to lock in your style and also to tame any frizzy ends. Against what most people say, I recommend not washing your hair very often because this can cause more harm than good. But not washing thick hair comes with its fair share of problems like an oily or flaky scalp. So on those days, I give my hair a quick spritz of the Batiste Dry Shampoo that is an absolute staple in my handbag. On the third day post a hair wash, when my scalp starts looking extremely oily, I start by brushing out my hair thoroughly to distribute all the good natural oils from my scalp to the mids. after which I spray the dry shampoo focusing on my roots to freshen up my scalp. I hope these simple tips and tricks can help you perfect your hair care routine and spot thick and gorgeous waves all year round. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.